Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're doing absolutely well. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install a Dev-C++ software in your Windows 10. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open your favorite browser. After opening it, you have to write Dev-C++. After that, there are many different types of websites are available for you to download a software Dev-C++, but you have to go for source4g.net. After that, a green color download button is available for you to download a Dev-C++ software, so just click on it. So it's stated your download will start shortly in 3, 2, 1, and it started. I am just cancelling it because I have already downloaded it. So I'm going to the file. So here is the file. I'm starting the setup. Click on it. Yes. It may take a while. You have to choose your language. Yes, agree. Next. You have to destinate your folder. Finish. Just launching the Dev-C++ software.